The 4K plus 1080 pixels dual dash cam offers exceptional video clarity, capturing important details like road signs and vehicle plates with its impressive front and rear camera capabilities. With its integrated Wi-Fi and phone application control, you can easily access, download, and share your recorded journeys directly from your smartphone. Offering flexible installation options, the dash cam can be placed on the front windshield to record the car's interior or on the rear windshield to monitor the vehicle's backside. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the dash cam ensures clear and detailed video recordings even in low-light conditions, thanks to its high dynamic range capabilities. The dash cam provides reliable accident detection with its G-sensor technology, which locks vital video evidence when a bump is detected, and supports continuous surveillance with its 24 hours, 7 days parking monitor. While the dash cam requires cables for power and connectivity, its Wi-Fi feature allows for convenient video downloads and settings adjustments via your smartphone.